Hello everyone, welcome to Math is Fun. Our lesson for today is all about simplifying algebraic expressions. An algebraic expression is a mathematical expression with constants, variables, and operations. For example, 2x plus 1. Parts of an algebraic expression. First is the constant. Constant is a fixed value in an expression. Next, variable. It is a letter that is used to represent an unknown value. Next, coefficient. It is a constant multiplier of a variable. And lastly, term. It is a constant, a variable, or a coefficient and variable multiplied together. Next, we'll focus on simplifying algebraic expressions. Remember the following rules when simplifying algebraic expressions. It is important to identify whether the terms are like terms or unlike terms. Like terms are terms with the same variable and power and can be combined by addition or subtraction. For example, a plus a is equal to 2a. 2a squared plus 3a squared is equal to 5a squared. Unlike terms are terms with different variables or different power and cannot be combined by addition or subtraction. For example, a plus a squared plus b squared plus c. Only like terms can be combined, and recognizing the difference will help you simplify expressions correctly and avoid common mistakes. Simplify the expression 4x plus 7 minus 2x plus 3, a 6x plus 10, b 2x plus 10, c 2x plus 4, or d 6x plus 4. What do you think the answer? Alright, let's simplify this expression. First, we're going to combine like terms. So 4x minus 2x is equal to 2x. Next, 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. Then let's just put it together. So 2x plus 10. And our answer is letter B. Simplify the expression 5 times the quantity of 2y minus 3 plus 4y, a 10y minus 15 plus 4y, b 10y minus 11, c 14y minus 15, d 14y minus 11. What do you think the answer? Alright, let's simplify this expression. First, distribute 5. So 5 times 2y is equal to 10y. 5 times negative 3 is equal to negative 15. Then just bring down positive 4y. Next, combine like terms. So let's add 10y and positive 4y. And the answer is equal to 14y. Then just copy minus 15. So our answer is letter C. Simplify the expression 3a plus 2 times the quantity of 4a minus 5, a 11a minus 10, b 11a minus 5, c 14a minus 10, or d 7a minus 10. What do you think the answer? Alright, let's simplify the expression. First, we're going to distribute 2. So we have 2 times 4a is equal to 8a. 2 times negative 5 is equal to negative 10. Then just bring down 3a. Next, combine like terms. So we have 3a plus 8a is equal to 11a. Then bring down minus 10. So what do you think the answer? Alright, it's letter A, 11a minus 10. A student simplified the expression below. 2 times the quantity of 3x plus 5 plus x is equal to 7x plus 10. What step shows the correct reasoning? A. Combine 3x and x to get 4x, then multiply by 2. B. Multiply 2 by 3x and 5 first, then add x. C. Add 5 and x first, then multiply by 2. Or D. Multiply 2 and x only, then add 3x and 5. What do you think the answer? Alright, let's find out the correct reasoning. So in the expression, 2 times the quantity of 3x plus 5 plus x is equal to 7x plus 10. First, distribute 2. So we have 2 times 3x is equal to 6x. 2 times 5 is equal to 10. Then, add x. So we have 6x plus 10 is equal to 7x plus 10. So the correct answer is letter B. Multiply 2 by 3x and 5 first, then add x. That brings us to the end of today's lesson. Thank you for learning with Math is Fun. Keep practicing and challenging yourself because every step you take builds your confidence in math. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy and enjoyable math lessons. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.